Hello students and friends, I am Kali Prasad Panigrai. Welcomes you to this class. Today we should discuss problems on stationary curved van. This problem is based on the stationary curved van in which jet is striking on one end and leaves at the other end. It is applied in tangentially. Let's start now. Please pause the video and write down the question on your notebook and find out what are the given data and what we have to calculate. This problem is based on curved van, fixed curved van. The jet strikes tangentially at one end and leaves at the other end. We have already discussed that in this chapter, or in this case, two cases are arise. One is when blade is or van is symmetrical, and second one is the unsymmetrical case. When theta and phi are equal, that case is symmetrical case, and when theta and phi are different, that is unsymmetrical case. This question is based on unsymmetrical case. Right, see the question. A jet of water of diameter 60 mm moving with a velocity of 40 meter per second strikes a curved fixed plate tangentially at one end and at an angle 30 degree. That is striking angle, that is input angle, that is the 30 degree equal to theta equal to 30 degree. Here diameter is 60 mm and velocity of the jet 40 meter per second. The jet leaves the plate at an angle 20 degree to the horizontal, that is phi equal to 20 degree. Find the force exerted by the jet on the plate in the horizontal and vertical direction. Given data are diameter of the jet d equal to 60 mm. So you have to convert it into meter. By dividing 1000 we get 0.06 meter. Area of the jet equal to A equal to pi by 4 into d square equal to pi by 4 into 0.06 square, which becomes 0.002827 meter square. Velocity of the jet v equal to 40 meter per second. Here given that jet of water, so here fluid is striking fluid is water. So density of water rho equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Angle made by the jet at inlet tip bit horizontal, given that 30 degree, and leaves at an angle of 20 degree, that is phi equal to 20 degree. Angle made by jet at outlet tip with horizontal, phi equal to 20 degree. Now you have to calculate force exerted by the jet in the horizontal direction as well as in vertical direction. First of all, calculate force exerted by the jet in horizontal direction, that is the in x direction. Fx equal to rho a v square cos theta plus cos phi. By putting all the values of rho and cross sectional area of the jet and v square cos theta and cos phi, we get this much value. By solving we get 8167.6 Newton. Next, force exerted by the jet in y direction, Fy equal to rho a v square sin theta minus sin phi. By putting the value of rho a v theta and phi, we get this much value, 714.57 Newton. It is the unsymmetrical case problem. One symmetrical problem case, when theta and phi both are same, in that case what happens, this one Fy becomes 0 because sin theta minus sin theta, theta and phi both are equal, then this should becomes 0 as a result Fy equal to 0. And in case of Fx, suppose both angles are 30 degree, cos 30 plus cos 30, we have to put whatever the value, that much is the force exerted in x direction. But in case of symmetrical case, in Fy in the direction of the y direction, force exerted equal to 0. It is always 0. I hope you should understood clearly. Thank you for watching. More problems are on the way. On next classes we should discuss more problems. This much is the for the fixed plate, stationary plate case. We had already discussed the flat plate, inclined plate, and curved vane, striking at center and striking at one end tangentially. On the next video we should discuss about the force exerted by the jet on moving plates. On moving plates we should discuss flat plate, inclined plate, and curved vane. Thank you. Have a good day.